Hi everybody, it's Gina Bell from East Coast Mommy, and I'm joining you today from my kitchen floor as I am organizing underneath my kitchen sink. I have tips and tricks and dollar store products to share, so let's get started. Here is the absolute mess that I started with. I began the process by taking everything out of the cabinet and giving it a good cleaning with these wipes from the dollar store. Then I covered the bottom of the cabinet with this contact paper that I also got at the dollar store. Once I had a clean slate to work with, I took an inventory of what I had and I looked at the space and figured out how I could use the space most efficiently. Once I had a plan, I hopped in my car and went to the dollar store to look for containers that would work for what I needed. I ended up getting 2 of these gray organizers, these baskets, and I also purchased 2 of these stackable baskets. And then for a skinny section on the side, I purchased one of these tall, skinny cereal containers. The first thing I did was figure out how to use the back of the cabinet efficiently. So I grabbed one of these baskets, I filled it with a bunch of cleaning materials that I don't use as frequently as some other things, and I took the other gray basket and I filled it with some things that I don't use as frequently, and I put that right beside it in the back of the cupboard too. I can still access them really easily, but they're just kind of all together in the back of the cupboard. Then I took the cereal container, I filled it with my dishwasher tabs that I use all the time, put that on the side of my cupboard, which is right beside my dishwasher, and that was there and out of the way and easily accessible. Then I grabbed my stacking baskets. I put some of the less frequently used things on the bottom, and then I put the things that I use all the time on the top. They're all neat and together and easily accessible. So I have my wipes and my oven cleaner and my dishwashing liquid that I use all the time to wash my dishes, and I put that in place. Then I put my garbage can that fits snugly right in this spot, and I was finished. I love the way the dollar store materials let me use the front of the cupboard, the back of the cupboard, and the height of the cupboard. I also wanted to make use of the space on the back of the cupboard door. So I grabbed a couple of these command hooks and I used them to hang some cleaner and some scissors that I use all the time. The dollar store also has a variety of over the door hangers that you can use on the outside of the door. I grabbed this one because I liked how sturdy it was. I put it on the front of my cupboard door under my sink, and I hang my dish towel on it, and it's easily accessible and neat and out of the way. I'm really excited with how easy and inexpensive it was to organize under my sink, and I hope you enjoyed the tips, tricks, and products that I shared today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing and hitting that bell to be notified when I post another video. See you next time. Bye.